Welcome to our Sunday product videos. Every Sunday and Wednesday, we bring you a fresh take on a different type of video designed to improve your life. Today, we're diving into 15 must-see kitchen appliance trends coming back this year. Welcome to the futuristic place where tomorrow's tech meets today's reality. Say goodbye to stuck lids. The Otstar 6-in-1 Opener is your all-in-one kitchen tool for jars, bottles, and cans. Designed to make life easier. With 8 circular openings and a built-in hook, it opens everything from 1-inch soda caps to 3-inch jar lids, even ring pull cans and vacuum-sealed tops. The long ergonomic handle gives you powerful leverage, while the rubber grip lining holds tight. No more slipping or sore wrists. Use both sides to match different lid sizes and switch to the third ring for larger jars. It's smart, simple, and frustration-free. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean. Perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who just wants to open things without the struggle. Measure with confidence using the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. Your compact, everyday essential for cooking, baking, and meal prep. Switch effortlessly between ounces, grams, milliliters, and more, with 5 built-in units and a tare function for total accuracy. It weighs up to 11 pounds with 1 gram precision. Perfect for everything from small spices to big baking batches. Made with 304 food-grade stainless steel, it's sleek, durable, and easy to clean. Just wipe and go. The backlit LCD screen makes readings crystal clear, and with 2 AAA batteries included, it's ready to use right out of the box. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Hoshanho 8-piece knife set. Professional precision and style, all in one block. You get every blade you need. Chef, bread, santoku, fillet, utility, paring, plus kitchen shears, all neatly stored in a solid wood block. Made from high-carbon Japanese 10CR15 Como V stainless steel, each knife offers rock-solid durability and ultra-sharp cutting performance. With a 15-degree edge angle, the blades slice clean with minimal effort, perfect for everything from meat and fish to fruits and veggies. Ergonomic pucker wood handles give you a comfortable, balanced grip, and the whole set comes in an elegant gift box, ready to impress. Cut the mess and slice your mango like a pro with the Xylus Mango Slicer, your go-to tool for juicy perfection. This 2-in-1 gadget peels, slices, and removes the pit in seconds. No slipping, no hassle, just smooth slicing every time. With micro-serrated stainless steel blades, it cuts cleanly through even the toughest mango skin, effortlessly and safely. Its unique design cradles the fruit for stability while fitting pits of all sizes, so you get the most fruit with the least waste. Trusted by everyday cooks and chefs alike, this Xylus tool makes mango prep fast, fun, and frustration-free. Say goodbye to messy can openings with this ultra-hygienic can opener. It never touches your food and keeps lids out of the can. Thanks to its smart lock-on technology, it grips the lid automatically. No awkward clamping or squeezing required. It opens cans without slicing the metal, so there are no sharp edges, making it way safer than traditional can openers. Once open, use the built-in mini pliers to lift the lid. No need to touch anything. And yes, it even opens ring pull cans too. Compact, easy to clean, and simple to use. Just wipe it down and store it away. A must-have for every kitchen drawer. Make breakfast fun and bite-sized with the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Perfect for 4-inch snack-sized waffles in just minutes. Just plug it in, wait for the ready light, and pour your batter. No buttons, no hassle, just easy cooking every time. The high-quality non-stick surface ensures flawless waffles and quick cleanup. No sticking, no mess. Great for single servings or batch cooking. Freeze extras for busy mornings or last-minute cravings. Compact, cute, and super handy, this mini waffle maker comes with a recipe guide and a 1-year warranty to get you started right. Transform your sink with this elegant matte black glass rinser, designed for fast, hands-free cleaning of cups, bottles, and glasses. Featuring multi-angle spray nozzles, it blasts away residue from every corner. Perfect for baby bottles, wine glasses, travel mugs, and more. No plumber needed. It installs in minutes by replacing your soap dispenser or sink sprayer, making it a quick and easy DIY upgrade. Just flip your cup upside down and press. It automatically sprays powerful jets of water to rinse in seconds, then stops when you lift. The sloped drain keeps debris out, while the water spot-resistant finish keeps your kitchen looking clean and modern every day. Turn your kitchen into a fry factory with this high-quality French fry cutter. Perfect for homemade fries in seconds. Equipped with a restaurant-grade stainless steel blade, it slices effortlessly through potatoes, carrots, and more. No hassle, no mess. The extended ergonomic handle gives you serious leverage. Just one smooth press, and you're cutting whole potatoes into uniform 1/2-inch strips with ease. No need to chop or pre-cut your potatoes. This cutter fits spuds up to 5.5 inches long, slicing them in one go for ultimate convenience. Not just for potatoes. It's also great for cucumbers, zucchinis, eggplants, and other veggies. Perfect for healthy snacks or fancy plating. Peel like a pro with this premium stainless steel vegetable peeler. Sharp, sleek, and a must-have for every kitchen. Its dual ultra-sharp blades let you peel, slice, shred, and julienne with precision. Perfect for prepping everything from carrots and potatoes to zucchini noodles. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, this ergonomic tool is designed to feel just right in your hand and reduce prep time in any recipe. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, lightweight, and super easy to clean. Plus, the clever root skin digger gets into every nook. And check this out. The built-in tail hook makes storage a breeze. It's compact, space-saving, and ready when you need it. A smart gift for home chefs or a practical upgrade for your kitchen. This peeler is small but seriously mighty. Meet the whisk that does it all. This twist whisk is 2 essential tools in one. Use it as a flat whisk for smooth sauces and gravies, or twist it into a balloon whisk for perfect whipped cream and fluffy eggs. The silicone-coated steel wires are gentle on non-stick cookware and heat-resistant up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, so stir, mix and whisk worry-free. And when you're done, just fold it flat. It tucks neatly into drawers, making it a smart solution for tight kitchen spaces. Dishwasher safe and built to last, this whisk is a compact kitchen hero you'll reach for every day. Whether you're baking, blending, or whipping, the twist whisk makes it effortless, with style and smarts in one sleek tool. Tired of spills and clutter on the couch? Meet the Couch Console Tray, your personal organizer and spill-proof drink holder all in one. It features a self-balancing, weighted cup holder with a high-performance gyroscope that keeps your drink upright on any surface, even soft cushions. The modular design includes 4 independent sections, perfect for snacks, devices, remotes, or even another cup. Customize it your way. Need power while you relax? This console includes a built-in USB-C port linked to a storage area, so you can hook up your own power bank and keep your tech charged. Use it in your living room, bedroom, RV, car back seat, or even outdoors at a picnic or by the hot tub. Stylish, durable, and designed to last for years. The Couch Console Tray isn't just practical. It's the ultimate gift for anyone who loves relaxing in comfort and staying organized. This isn't your average measuring spoon. It's the Joseph adjustable measure, designed for ultimate precision and convenience. With a simple slide of the handle, you can adjust the volume for both wet and dry ingredients, from just 1 milliliter up to 15 milliliters, or 1/4 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. It's perfect for recipes that call for exact measurements, with easy-to-read indicators right on the side. Toss the pre-shredded stuff. This rotary cheese grater lets you enjoy fresh cheese in seconds with just a few turns of the handle. Made from food-grade ABS and stainless steel, it's BPA-free, rust-resistant, and built to last. Choose from 3 interchangeable blades. Slice, shred, or grind cheese, nuts, cookies, and more. Perfect for salads, tacos, and smoothies. Your hands stay safe thanks to the rotating handle and food pusher, keeping fingers clear of the blades at all times. The strong suction base sticks securely to smooth surfaces, while the angled barrel keeps everything flowing smoothly without jams. When you're done, just rinse it or pop it in the dishwasher. Easy to clean, easy to love. This rotary grater is a kitchen game changer. Meet the NutriChef 3-piece oven baking pan set. Small, medium, and large trays built for everything from cookies to casseroles. Made of durable carbon steel with a long-lasting non-stick coating, food lifts off effortlessly. No sticking, no mess. These pans resist warping under high heat and are safe in the oven, fridge, or freezer. Versatility at its best. Each pan features bold red silicone handles for a secure grip, even when things get hot, up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Stackable, dishwasher safe, and stain resistant, this bakeware set saves time, space, and cleanup effort. For bakers, roasters, and everyday kitchen warriors, this non-stick pan trio is ready to handle it all. Upgrade your kitchen with this sleek, rechargeable electric salt and pepper grinder set. No more twisting, no more dead batteries. Featuring USB-C fast charging, a full charge takes just an hour, and a 5-minute boost is enough for daily seasoning. You can even use it while charging. With one-handed automatic operation, simply press the button to grind. Effortless, fast, and super convenient. Customize your flavor with 5 adjustable coarseness levels, from fine to coarse, using a durable stainless steel drive shaft. The 70 milliliter see-through container reduces refills and lets you easily monitor your spice levels. A dust-proof lid keeps everything clean. This 2-pack set includes grinders in white and black, perfect for salt, pepper, or any dry spice, complete with a built-in LED light and 1-year warranty.